Hey guys, Steve from Steve's Home Cooking. So I did this video once already and totally messed it up. Instead of saying macaroni salad, I kept saying potato salad. It's macaroni salad. Anyway, so as I said before, my wife's company has potlucks on a really regular basis. And she asked me if I wanted to make something for it. And I was like, nah, just buy something. I don't feel like making anything. And she's like, well, it's a grease based one. And I'm like, yeah, there's not much we can make for that. I mean, you can either make hot dogs or hamburgers. And she goes, how about some macaroni salad? And I was like, no. And I thought, okay, yeah, I'll make it. No problem. So I was realizing that going to the store and buying macaroni salad, you get a container about that big. It's $9 to $12. So I was like, okay. So I went and bought the ingredients. I bought pasta. I bought mayonnaise. I bought mustard, which I ended up finding out we had, so I didn't need them. I bought celery. We had some carrots. We had an onion. And so I did a calculation of it. Going to the store, like I said, it's anywhere from $8 to $12, depending on the store you go to. Making it from scratch was about $6. The most expensive thing for the whole thing was the pasta. That took me 10, 12 minutes to make, getting the water boiling, putting it in, and getting it started. So let's show you how to make this. And it is so much better than the bought stuff. The bought stuff in the containers is just, it's like slop. There's no flavor to it. There's not much into it. Let me show you what we can make and what you can make without any problems. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, let's see how it tastes. Perfect. Just enough of salt, just enough pepper. Very, very good. Anyway, guys, as I've always said, sorry, eating with my mouth full. As I've always said, it's better to eat at home than it is to eat out. All right, guys, so do you want that as a pound of pasta or a potato salad? Geez, boy, I'm really messing it up here. Do you want that as a pound of macaroni salad or a pound of macaroni salad? I mean, which one would you prefer? $8, probably $9. I didn't count it, but look at the difference. Anyway, guys, okay, so let's taste it.